Hi, this is Netty Talk channel. Today we will open a new HP Probook. I have box. I purchased new box for my customer. As I showed you that I'm providing IT services in Dubai. The specification, as you can see, this is Core i7. Model is HP Probook 450G4. Specification Core i7, 7th generation, 8 GB RAM, 2 GB dedicated graphics, 1 TB hard drive. This is new box for my customer. I will open for you. We will see that what about inside. I think one bag also is there. I'm just opening the box. This is new laptop with new generation for my customer. And if you like this video, my Netitup channel, you can share, you can subscribe my channel to view more videos. So this is the box we open. You will see there's a number of items here. There's one bag. Wow, it's amazing bag from HP. Yes, this is amazing bag. This is genuine bag from HP. This is HP bag for HP Probook. It's very nice bag. I will show you. There is one pocket front side. Inside there are a number of pockets. You can put your cards, you can put your pencils, pens, stationery inside. Some pens you can put specifically here. See, there is a box. You will see there is a number of items there. They put it one charger adapter for the laptop. They put it one power cable. This power cable is a 3-leg cable, and this is a 2-leg cable, and some documents from HP. You can read these documents because we are daily basis opening the boxes, and we are not reading because we know what's inside. I'm putting back there. Charger is there. I'm putting back, and power adapter is there. Okay, this is empty. I'm putting here. Then this is HP laptop is there. This is empty box, nothing is there. I'm putting back. This is empty new laptop for HP. See, these are the packing. I'm removing the packing. One plastic bag is there. I'm removing the bag. Okay, very lightly. Make sure you are not making any scratches on the laptop because it's very nice laptop from HP. Really amazing. Color is a silver color. You see, hard drive DVD is there. Then LAN port is there. Then 2 USB ports are there. Then headphone is there. I think there is one new port is there. In this side we will see this is HDMI port. This is another port. This is SD card portion is there. VGA is there. Power cord we can put here. See, looking very nice. This HP. It's very amazing laptop, HP Probook. And normally this is the business series for office use. It's not normally home people are using. And I really recommend that if you want to purchase any laptop for your business purposes, this is the best possible option with limited budgets. It's not very costly. You can search in the internet also this model, HP Probook. The model, as I explained you, the model is HP Probook 450G4. This is the view of the laptop. You will see it's very shining body, Core i7, and this is HP HD camera, webcam is there. I don't think so there's more options there. The battery inside there. It's very good laptop. Thank you so much watching our video, and please share and subscribe our channel to make more movies, productive movies and informative movies for my viewers. Thank you so much.